Now to a major security breach at one of America's busiest airports. 11 passengers somehow getting through a metal detector that wasn't staffed and boarding flights at New York's JFK Airport. ABC's David Curley has new details. Good morning, David.
Morning, Michael. A serious breach of security is what one of our security experts is calling this at one of these checkpoints at JFK. It happened with 11 people walking through a metal detector, but there was nobody manning the TSA area. 3 of those passengers actually set off that detector and continued into the security area, the gate area, because nobody was manning that position. Now, it was at 6 a.m. that they walked through. It wasn't until 8 a.m. that TSA called the Port Authority police to tell them about the incident.
3 passengers in the restricted sterile area without being screened. They have video footage of it.
In a statement, TSA says it is confident this incident presents no threat to security, adding that after review, employees will be reprimanded and retrained. As for those 3 passengers, when they landed in San Francisco, because they got on their plane without being checked, they were rescreened. Imagine their surprise, Michael, when they showed up in San Francisco at their destination and had to get rescreened at that point.
Things went a little bit backwards.
Yeah, just a little bit. David, thank you very much.